Very much. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all those who will be engaging us tomorrow, the day after, when we have Gemi. For the time we are here, I am really looking forward to see our people. I've missed them, I love them, and I can't wait to start engaging with them, to catch up, to know how they have been, how their lives have been, and also tell them how back home is. So we are really looking forward.
Okay, thank you so much. Welcome.
Yes, Sandy. Thank you.
Makofi.
Haya. 1 2 3 ngoja tunapiga makofi ya kilo kumkaribisha. Mtukufu Rais mtarajiwa wa nchi yake. And say one time, eh? One time. Say one time. One time. Say one time. Say again.